What is going on, YouTubers? Long time no good cooks. It's time for a good one tonight. We're gonna do some Korean beef bibimbap. Really good, pretty easy, really tasty. Check it out. I'll show you what we got. All right, do your rice first. Get it going, however you want to cook it, in a pan or rice cooker. I'm gonna do 2 cups of rice. That calls for three cups of water. So I'm gonna get this cooking in the rice cooker. Get that going first. All right, what we want to do our green onions first. You want to keep your whites separated from the greens. We want to get these marinating in the white wine vinegar. So let's do these first. Get them trimmed up, and like I said, keep your whites separated. Cut nice and thin. Not too many whites there, but we'll call that the whites. We're going to put these in a bowl and get them covered in the white wine vinegar. Got a little bit of salt. Alright, I got the green onion chopped up. Zucchini, we're just going to trim the ends off. You're going to slice it in half this way and half this way. And then we're going to slice them up nice and thin. So you got half moon. So we'll get these chopped up and come back. This is how much fresh ginger we use, about 4 thumbs, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to dice this up, mince it up. I'm not going to use all that, probably 3/4 of that. That's my ginger. Here's my garlic. Instead of fresh, I'm using this freeze dried. This stuff's good. Way better than the pre-made stuff. So we got that done. Now we're gonna make our and I got my onions. I got these pre-sliced, so I don't have to slice these. And let's make the sauce here. I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. I'm making a little more. I'm making more than normal. Sauce than the regular. So we're going to use 4 of those. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Sriracha, we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of sriracha. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. And we're just going to stir this up real good. The sauce is awesome, tell me. So get this stirred up real good and let it sit and get together, get to know each other. All right, in a pan we're going to heat it up over medium-high heat. Some olive oil. Cook the zucchini. Four or 5 minutes till it's tender. A little bit of salt and pepper. Smells good already. Alright, we're going to leave that cooking. It's getting soft now. See that? A little bit more. Alright, these are done. We're going to put them in another pan and do the mushrooms. Put some little more oil. It's a lot of mushrooms I'm using. A lot more than you have to. So I'm going to cook these down. Some salt and pepper as well. We'll be back. These are almost done. If you don't like mushrooms, don't put them in. Still be good. Any of the stuff you don't like, don't put it in, but trust me, it's good. It's good. A little more on this and we'll be done with this. I'm going to drain the juice out. I don't want all that. Alright, these are done. Put them with the zucchini. Alright, we're back on medium, still on medium-high. Some oil in. We're going to do the ginger and the garlic. We'll do some of these too. I'm going to save half of these for when it's done. And then the garlic. Just going to cook these about 2 minutes, or not even a minute. Oh yeah. We're going to put the ground beef in. Oh yeah, the smell of that is awesome. Yum. In goes the ground beef. About 24 ounces of ground beef. It smells so good. Okay, we're going to cook this till it's brown, then I'm going to drain the grease. I used 85/15. Probably should have used 90 something, 90-20 or 90-10, whatever. Let me brown this up and we'll be back. Okay, we're almost browned here. Oh, this smells so good. I'm gonna drain the grease, like I said. All right, so I've drained the grease. Now we're gonna kick it on high again, medium high. Brown it up. Get the meat good and a little char kind of deal. At least a 3-beer dinner here. At least. We're almost there. The rice done. The rice is done. We're almost done with this too. Alright. Take the sauce we made earlier. We're going to put most of it in here. Save a little bit to drizzle on top. Oh, man, that smells outstanding. Get it mixed in real good. We're going to cook it till the meat absorbs it here, just a minute or two. Turn it down a little bit. Kind of like taco meat, but mucho better. Alright, in go our vegetables back. Put the plate the rice and put this over the rice, and then we're going to put this on there, sprinkle our other greens on there, and a little bit of the sauce, and serve it up. Alright, let me plate it up. Alright, you're going to take your pickled eels and put them on here. Put a little more of the fresh ones on. Drizzle the sauce. That's it. Let me get a picture. Yum. A little more Sriracha if you want. Mix this in with your rice. That is banging with flavor. I'm telling you. A lot of flavors going on. You can taste the vinegared, whatever the hell I'm talking about. White wine vinegared green onions on there. Everything. Oh, it's so good. Make you this, I'm telling you. All fresh ingredients. I'm telling you what a difference. This won't go in the air fryer. Please hit the thumbs up if you would, if you like it. Hit the like, all that stuff. Subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.